Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Alex and the video's been pre-recorded already. Everything's done, guys. We've set you up with some awesome trades today. We've set you actually up with 4 trades today. So look, some of those are bound to freaking make you tons of money today, I believe. And it should be another great day today. But before we get started, and before I give you these trades for the day, guys, if you enjoyed the videos, you enjoy what we're doing here, and you respect it, you like it, please drop a like on the video because that's going to help us grow the channel a little bit faster so we can get out to, reach a little more people who really want this and would like this, what we're doing here. And then second, guys, you can schedule a call down below with me. We'll get on the phone, 20 minutes, whatever you got, questions, anything I can help you with. Let's do that so we can end this year off strong and start the next year better. Okay, so that's all I wanted to announce before the video starts. And with that being said, like I said, we set you up with some awesome trades and I'm really excited for you. And if you got any questions on any of them, feel free to ask me down in the comment section below. I'm pretty good at getting back usually, unless I get tied up with something during the day. But that'll be the plan. Okay, so looking forward to it. Like I said, drop a like and schedule that call today. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video after we show you all the trades today. What's up everyone, my name is Alex and in today's video I'm going to help you out today. I'm going to give you some great trades I think we've got planned and hopefully help you make a ton of money today. So stick with me here. We've got 3 trades definitively planned. Actually that's going to be 4. Okay, then we've got 2 speculative things that you need to keep an eye out for. So the 4 trades we got today are COOP puts, Tesla puts, LULU calls, okay, that's a call play, keep that in mind, and FSLR puts. Okay, so we've got 3 shorts today, 1 long, call me a bear, but just currently we've had so many stocks run up just hugely. Okay, and so when you have these crazy run-ups, well, that's where we come in. That's why we're called crash trading. We catch them on the crash on the way down, so get used to it. Make sure you like shorting because we do a lot of that here on stocks that run up hugely, because it's a whole lot easier to catch stocks that actually crash instead of them running up. Okay, because run ups, it's a lot less, I guess, calculatable, if that makes sense. But we actually have our own formula on how we calculate how these stocks drop. So we don't teach how to do that yet, but sometime in the near future, we might show you guys how we calculate these drops, and well, it's pretty awesome. Okay, so getting into our first trade, Coop puts. Now, this is not my most profitable and absolute favorite, but it is, I believe, my highest probability trade to the downside today. Okay, so you'll see here, remember we were talking yesterday about shorting Coop, and that's exactly what happened. You saw that drop from 362 down to 343. So we had a 20-point drop yesterday in Coop. Hope a lot of you guys made a ton of money on that. But we talked about it being in a bull flag here, how it kept banging off the top of it, and now it's at the bottom, possibly ready to break lower. Okay, so with that being said, that could make you great money, right? It could be breaking to the downside of this bull flag, and there's a lot more downside here if you take a look at the chart. Okay, you'll see here, look, it's had a massive run up from 300 to 360, a lot of downside, right? You're staring off a cliff, and you had a ton of sellers come in yesterday. So this is another day of shorting for Coop. If you didn't get out yesterday, you held in with bearish continuation. That should work out fine here today. Okay, but don't expect it to be a straight ride down. You might get some bounces. The question is, are you adding to those bounces, and is it a significant bounce, or do you want to stay in with it, right? So we're going to gauge this based off the bounces, right? If they're strong bounces, we'll probably want to get out, right? But we do want to see a break below this bull flag here strongly today. Okay, so that's going to be your first trade, high probability, nice setup there. And now we're going to get into our next trade, trading the big bad Tesla. We get some hate sometimes for being a bear on Tesla. We're not being bear. We just sometimes leave it alone on the bullish side because it's kind of hard to predict on the bullish side sometimes. So if you don't remember here, maybe you're new to the channel, we shorted Tesla, guys. We called it after S&P inclusion. We said you want to short Tesla from top to bottom. It was 694 all the way down to 614. So we called this drop. We made it a little over exaggerating. We said Tesla stock is over, just to kind of get some more attention, but that's exactly what happened. Dropped, then we left it alone here for the next few days, right? So dropped hard, recovered, and now we're back in on the short side, okay? So we believe Tesla's going to be a great short today. I think it's going to be a very easy short with a very high probability of winning. Remember, not every single trade is going to be a winner. Yesterday we went 5 for 5 on our shorts, but not every single trade is going to be like that always. So this is another short we've got today. Let me show you what we got here. Okay, we definitely got some complacency here in the pre-market, and that's exactly what we want to see. So we got overhead resistance here, just with a little moving average and VWAP. But once again, that's not too much what's important. What we've done is the calculations on the back end here, and we're letting you know here that the chances for a drop here are much greater than to the upside. So if you're going to pick a side here, you want to be bearish on Tesla for today. Once again, your ATR is going to be about, let's see, 34, I believe. Check this out. ATR 34. Okay, so you can get a very sizable move to the downside. One thing I love about this is for you smaller options account traders. Well, we only have 2 days left in the week, right? So you can actually probably afford some of these contracts here, even if you got a small account. Well, obviously depending on the size of that small account, right? So I guess we're not having a day on Friday. It's probably going to be, what, New Year's or something? I haven't looked at the calendar, guys. But that's going to be your second trade. We love Tesla to the downside. So far you got COOP puts, Tesla puts. And let's get into a call play. You big bad bear, Alex. It's time to give him a bullish play here. Okay, so we got LULU. Now, guys, this one, it's freaking bright as day. Simple and clear as day as well. And you can just see it's on an easy uptrend here. You got the moving average as support. And what you'll notice is, look, this might look bearish here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bearish days in a row. But what you'll notice is, well, first off, the more bearish days you have in a row, the higher the chance you have of a bullish day every single day. That's just basic probabilities in mathematics. So look, you have 6 down days. Well, you better watch out, okay? Because every day the chances are increasing that you're gonna have a green day finally. And second, this might look bearish here, but this is actually them buying the dip. Okay, so take a look at the chart here. They're actually buying the dip here. So don't let the the red candle blind you. Don't let that price action blind you. They're actually using this as an opportunity to buy the dip, okay? And so one thing you'll notice as well is it's not just LULU they're actually rotating into right now. They're rotating hard into Ulta. And remember, we shorted Ulta after earnings. It just dropped since earnings, since we made that call, right? So look, Ulta, they rotated in hugely yesterday. Target, hugely. Walmart, hugely. Right, so we're noticing the retail stocks, I guess if you consider Walmart and Target retail, right, then they're rotating into those. And so that's a great sign here for Ulta. I mean, not Ulta, LULU, right? So that gives this uptrend even more support here. And we love this trade here. LULU calls. We'll be taking that one today for sure, I believe. Okay, buying the dip there as long as the dip is not on strong volume, right? If it's dipping, it's dropping hard, we're not gonna buy that dip. Okay, but if it's a weak dip, we'll definitely be buying that dip. And we'll be running that together here today on LULU. Okay, and final trade for the day, FSLR puts. Now, guys, we love this one here. You kind of get a double top, but you got more downside. Okay, I know we're actually gonna have maybe a little bit of a hard time breaking through about 99/100, and I'll show you exactly why here. Okay, so 100 was kind of this previous resistance. That was just 1, 2, 3. It took 3 times to finally get out of there, but we do believe that we're ultimately going to return back to that range. There's just not much upside here for FSLR. And once again, you had a ton of sellers coming in. You got tons of other bearish factors. But once again, that's not what this whole video is going to be about. If you want to learn how to read charts, the link is down below. We don't have time because the video is going to be like 30, 40 minutes if we go over all the charts in detail and show you everything, right? So FSLR puts today, and once again, just keep in mind we might have a hard time breaking through 100 or 99, but this guy, oh my god, guys, this is a very nice looking trade. Okay, we got 2 days left in the week. Let's say, look, dropping down to 95 is not out of the question by the end of the week. So let's say you're getting a 98 strike call, right? Not a 98 strike call, maybe a 98, 99 strike put. Maybe you want to go really close to the money. You want to just play it safe. Right, this 100 strike put by the end of the week, I mean, look how cheap that is. $1.20, guys. And look, to say that we can't drop to 95, that's I guess that's just not a good not a good thing to say because it's so possible. And so a drop down to 95 is going to put about $6 at intrinsic value, no, $5 at intrinsic value. That's automatically going to be a 500% win by the end of the week if we can get down to even just 95, which is not out of the question, right? So that's a phenomenal setup as well. And those are your 4 top trades for the day. COOP puts, Tesla puts, LULU calls, which is a very nice call play, and FSLR puts. We'll be keeping an eye on those, trying to get FSLR on some kind of a bounce here. And yeah, that's what we're trying to calculate down to about 95 by the end of the week. But we'll see, and we'll keep you up to date on that. All right. So, guys, if you do want to be up to date on more trades, we have a weekly trading list down below that you can get a part of. The link is in the description. Okay. And if you want to learn how to read charts, that link is down in the description as well. And now I want to give you two bonus speculative things to keep an eye out on. Okay. So you'll see Wayfair here is just dropping really hard. Okay. And so look, we're at this bottom level here about 234. Okay, and what I want to tell you is if Wayfair can drop below that major level right here, you just want to go short these stocks like Wayfair, Shopify. You see Shopify here, Etsy. Okay, just short all these damn e-commerce stores, all of them. Okay, Etsy, Shopify, Wayfair. You can short them all if Wayfair confirms that breakdown lower, I believe. Obviously, if you got a question and you're not sure and certain about it, you can always reach out to me, let me know, and that'll be the plan there. Okay, so something extra to keep in mind. So those are 4 top trades for the day. Then you've got Shopify and Wayfair, with could be a huge break lower for the e-commerce sector, and we're going to be keeping an eye on that. Okay, not going to really play the market today. You know, there's stimulus, there's tons of news that can be pushing this thing up and down. I don't really want to mess with it. You can if you want, but we're going to focus on the individual stocks, and I believe it's going to be another great day. Okay, so keep track of these 4. We were 5 for 4, 5 for 5 on our shorts yesterday. I believe we'll keep and maintain that success going into today. So let's see how it goes. This video should be out before the market opens, well in advance, so no excuse today. I hope everyone has a great day. Guys, please, if you made it to the end of the video, make sure you drop a like on the video, and also make sure you subscribe. Okay, I think we got some great trades, and do this to help you out. All right, so once again, oh, by the way, guys, if you haven't already, you can schedule the 20-minute call down below. And I can't wait to talk to some of you. Got some of you scheduled already for today, so I look forward to talking to you guys. And with that being said, let's rock, let's roll, let's finish this year off strong, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.